Hi guys, this is Alice Yan, the owner of Shenzhen and Dongguan Selection Limited. Our company specialized in customized metal parts with CNC machining, die casting, precision casting, stamping, as well as other metal processing. We could provide the mid and high-end customers with one-stop solution service, including raw material, machining, finish treatment, assembly, packing, shipping, and other service. We hope to be the reliable business partner of all the international clients on precision metal industry. Welcome to your inquiry. Thank you.
关注我，了解更多五金知识。